the most powerful health tool that can change your life, and most people don't use it because they've never heard of it. Well, you're going to learn about it in this video. I'm talking about autophagy. Now, autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer cells, healthier cells. If you took Latin, you know, auto means self and phagi means to eat. So literally, this is your body self-eating, eating up damaged cells. And I'm going to show you a picture of what that looks like. This is a cancer cell, and this cancer cell needs to be eliminated. So autophagy kicks in and eliminates that cell, and it is gone. A very helpful process. But if you look inside a cell, there's a lot of valuable information and material in there, and your body is quite frugal. It doesn't waste things. Here's a microscopic picture of the inside of a cell. Just tons of valuable things inside that. So let me give you an example of how I look at autophagy. How many of you know what Legos are? All right, your grandkids play with them, your kids played with them, my kids played with them. Well, this is what a Lego room looks like before autophagy is activated, and there it is after. Now imagine your body having that happen inside it. Another example, all right, not too bad, but after autophagy, everything's new and improved and regenerated. So what your body does is it takes old proteins out of those cells and it can burn them up for energy, or it can break them down into their component amino acids and use those to make new protein. So here we are, we're breaking down these cells, and we use that to build some muscle cell or some other cell in your body. Same thing with fats. They can be used to burn up for energy, or they can be broken down into fatty acids and used to build new fatty acids. So here's an old cell, fatty acids in it aren't working right. We break it apart and we use it to make something new and beautiful. So what is the problem? The problem is we don't use this tool. And how do you activate autophagy? Who knows how you activate autophagy? We had an answer. Fasting, yes. Here's what we know. It begins after about 16 hours. So when you don't eat for 16 hours, your body ramps up autophagy. Think of it this way. Tomorrow, you don't have to cook any meals. You don't have to do any dishes. You don't have to put stuff away. You don't have to do any of that. How much time are you going to have to do other things? That's what happens with autophagy. So most people eat early and throughout the day, and maybe they get to the point where they're just about to activate autophagy and then they eat again. So I want to encourage you to try some of the fasting mimic diets that I recommend on the 7 Systems plan. And the absolute easiest one is to skip breakfast. When you do that, you're going 17 hours without eating. You have activated autophagy, and your body does a lot of these good things. You want to go to the next step. It's a 23-hour fast. You're eating one time in the day, and that's about 500 or 600 calories. We don't want to eat a lot of calories when we're just eating once. Or the 5-2 plan, and that is on 2 non-consecutive days per week, you consume 500 to 600 calories, 500 for females, 600 for males. This is very powerful for all components of health, but absolutely in activating autophagy. So I want to encourage you to use your most powerful health tool. Try these fasting mimic plans and hit the like and share button if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the 7 Systems YouTube channel to get helpful tips like this every week.